Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Hi. How are you? Come over here. Come over here. Gracie came in yesterday. She's doing very well. Hey, Gracie. Look at you. Look at you. Good morning. It's very early, isn't it? It's so dark out. How are you? Yes. Gracie. What you doing, pretty girl? Gracie. Hi, my love. Hello. Yes. So as always, Gracie fits in fine and does well. Yes. Yes, you do. You good girl. Come here. Oh, Gracie. You good girl. Yeah, my good girl. Hi. Yeah. Like, there's no place to go in there. You can't go in there. That's the closet. Yeah. But she's doing good. Don't worry about her. She's a happy girl.